I've just received an email and there's a parcel on the way. So good. Dismantled my woman cave. Oh. This is the finishing touch to my woman cave. It's decision time now. I've got to find out whether I only want my feet on it and put it towards the couch that's here. Oops, I hate those little strappy things, but they are handy. Or I turn it the other way and have my chair on it as well. So I'm going to try them out and see what it's like. Right, final decision. This is how it's going to be. I love my rug. It's gorgeous, perfect colour, matches fabulously with everything in the room, and it's my style. Good, I'm pleased. So, excellent. Yes, it's all about the feet. It's all about the feet.